Hey YouTube, I'm Brad Scher, and I'm coming at you guys talking about a application I discovered on iOS. It's called IntroMate. It is an application that helps you make intros. Now, as a person that is just starting with YouTube, and I started off doing a iMovie type selection where you only had a couple slides that said, oh, thank you for checking out my content, and oh, please like, comment, and subscribe, and at the end it would be another, picture slide saying, thanks for listening, and it would, cut off by that. But it's not as professional as it is when you're using a software built for intros. After I realized that, I decided to make intros and extras using IntroMate for my YouTube videos. Why I like the application is because of the way it's put together, and when you open the application on your cell phone or your tablet, it's really clean and easy to understand how to navigate all of the different presets and different styles of graphic and audio that you are able to use and make intros and even extras for. And that to me, from first appearance, it's a big first appearance. If I go into your application and I see it and it appears to be crap and not well put together, I start not really liking it. And I don't just judge it off the looks. I definitely try to use the application, see if there's something more to it. It might not look pretty, but it does great stuff. But this one, right off the bat, it looked really nice, and the ability to kind of just scroll down and look through all of the different presets. I mean, there was a lot. It was pretty interesting and fun to use and create a bunch of different ones to display here on this video. One question I tend to ask myself when I'm purchasing things for either creation of a animation for a friend or a family member for a slideshow or something, or even just me here on YouTube, I ask myself, is it convenient? Is the application convenient? Is it going to help me in the future? Can I continue to use it? Yes, there is so much to this application. I do believe the developers are also still updating, and with that means there will be more content accessible to your fingertips and the videos you create in the future. That is what I believe makes it convenient, and knowing that it is not just a dumped application, which it has a lot of cool stuff in it, but it's going to be something you'll be able to use for a long time. Without further ado, I'm going to display some of the intros that I had made with the application. So those intros were pretty straightforward. You showed the dialogue and the animations along with it and everything, including audio and just the presentation it had, which every one of them is different in its own way and all pretty cool. Some people aren't interested in straightforward intros. They want to add a little more. Well, this application also has presets that allows you to do that. So without further ado, here are some of those intros I had made with the application. You are also able to change the colors and the fonts of the text. They make it very, very, very clear through a tutorial when you're just starting off in the app. but there's so much customizationable options that are just there for you to use and have so much fun with. So when you're ready to export your video, the application gives you the option to display your video in 30 FPS or 60 FPS alongside 540p, 720p, 180p, or even 4K. The overall process is incredibly simple. The video, which is your intro or extro, is saved directly to your camera roll on your iPhone, and it is accessible and usable throughout any application that you can upload stuff to, and it's just really, really cool and really convenient. The link to IntroMate is down in the description below. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it is an iOS application, but I did take the liberty on trying to find IntroMate on Google Play or Microsoft, and to no success. I did find, though, a small bubble when I found the link for iOS on the iTunes website. It said that it was only an iOS application, and that was the giveaway that it wasn't going to be anywhere else. So that link, like I said, is in the description below. I'd love to know what you all thought about this video and my style of reviewing. If you liked this video, smash that like button to let me know I did a good job. But if you didn't like this video, smash that dislike button, and if you would, leave me a comment down below with some criticism on how I could do better in the future. I hope everything I've discussed in this video was helpful, and past that, thank you all for supporting me and my channel by watching this video. I upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I do music, and I'm trying to get into entertainment, and I'd love to do more of these videos in the future. That's all for this video. Once again, thank you so much, and have a great day.